first we have to go and buy some colorful slimes, and then we're gonna add some glitters to make it look more beautiful. Let's go and get some slime.
Yeah, let's go.
Sorry, Mimi, I could only find pink colored slime and this colorless slime. What we gonna do?
Don't worry, Papa. We have our own food colorings. We can make our own colorful slime.
That's good. Let's go. So guys, Mimi gave this wonderful idea to add food colors. Now we're gonna play. Okay, Mimi, what do you want to do first? You want to add some glitters in it, in this pink one, or you want to make your own color and add different glitters in it? What do you want to do first?
I can put some glitter
In there first? Okay, let's put some glitter and make it. Oh my god, this is so slimy. This is so gooey. It says gooey, super gooey
And I
slime.
want to put this blue one.
You want to put some blue one? Okay, let's put it. Can we add some more colors in it to make it more beautiful? I'm just saying. Oh wow, it looks so beautiful. If you can show this. Ooh, it's so gooey.
Now let's put this one.
Oh, oh wow.
You like it?
I think I need. You can put more in it.
What? Can you put more?
More. Oh, there's something over there.
I'll share them.
Yeah.
And now can I mix it?
Yeah, sure. Wow.
It's so nice, right?
It's so nice. Can we add these purple ones too?
Yeah, we can add a purple one. I'll add a dark one.
Dark one? Yeah, you can add the dark one.
It's the prettiest. I like this color the most.
Okay. I don't want to add some pink one. No.
No, this is
So,
silver.
sorry, silver. Sorry, my bad. Good. So I'm gonna show it to you guys like this. I think everyone will like it. Can you tell everyone to subscribe our channel?
Mimi time.
Mimi time. Well, she doesn't know the channel name. But yeah.
That's my channel name.
Okay.
So I have such a beautiful dress.
So,
Ooh.
yes, you have a very beautiful dress, and this is how it looks like. Can you add some like glitter, gluey glitter in it?
Yeah.
Which one? Blue one, golden one, green one, silver one. Okay, put silver one. Do this. I think so. I think. So, let's try to do it like this way. Do you want
Bonus points if you are able to.
Well, the green is a lot.
Yeah, you can try to do that one.
No, the green is a little bit.
Everything is little. I think we used it some other day. I think we can. Oh, some. Wow!
Look.
This looks so beautiful.
Let's mix it.
Let's mix it. Let's go.
It looks so beautiful.
Maybe
We can try to put some green in it. This is blue. Okay.
See?
Wow! Look. This looks so beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Okay. So we're making our hands so dirty right now.
Yeah, Mom, look at my
So,
hands. They're
look.
so sticky.
This is the blue. I hope you guys can see it. And this is the other one. And now we're going to mix it. Mix. So what are we doing it after we mix it? Just gonna put it in our jar, and then we're gonna play it with it later.
Yeah, we're gonna do that one.
Okay. So I think we are done with this one, and we made it so beautiful, glittery, colorful, as you guys can see. And now we're gonna jump into the other one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay guys, adding these glittery glues was not a good idea actually. Well, it made the slime looks beautiful,
Yeah.
but our hands were so sticky, right? So we have to sanitize our hand and clean this board again so that we can work on the other things.
Yeah.
Now we are all cleaned up, and now we're gonna jump into this. So what are we doing? We are taking some small portion of slime
Yeah.
and make it beautiful. Then we'll take other one, small one. Yeah, I think. Oh, it's so gooey. It's so gooey. Ew. It's so gooey. I think no, that's not enough. So Mimi, what color you want to make this?
Red.
Red. Let's see if we have red. Is this red?
This is only blue.
This red?
No, that's orange.
Is this red?
This.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is red. How many drops do you think will make it red?
2.
2? Let's try it. Let's put 2 drops. Okay. Now who you wanna mix it? Now you can mix it. Wow. This looks beautiful. Oh, it turns red like really, really fast. I think this food color is so strong.
Look at it, it's so beautiful.
Look at this, beautiful, right? You can show it in the camera. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's red.
It's not like properly mixed, so we're gonna mix it. Let's mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
Finish.
Okay, so you wanna add some glitter in it?
Yeah!
Which one?
How about pink?
Okay. Wow, it looks so beautiful.
Mix it.
Even. So, this is how this slime looks like. Mimi mixed it pretty well, right?
Yeah, that's so beautiful.
So you want to keep it this way, or you want to put some more colors in this one?
Put more colors in this one.
In this one? Or you want to make another color?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just put it on the side first. And then
That's
if we
so
feel like,
beautiful.
we can put more color in this one. So, now, again. Ew. Do you think it's enough?
No.
I think it's enough.
Yeah, it's enough.
It's enough? Which color you need?
Blue.
Blue. This bluey?
Yeah.
Okay, just 2 drops.
This.
And can I mix this time?
No.
Ah, okay. I was just talking.
And this color. And these.
I think you already put 2.
colors are
You put 4.
No.
Bluey. And your hands are getting so blue.
Look at this color.
Look at this color, guys. It turns blue
I'm
so
showing it.
Okay, you're showing it? Okay.
Look. It looks so deep. It looks like the deep ocean.
This looks like deep ocean. Okay. This is how it turns out. It's so beautiful. And I think I'll put some more color here. So just mix it properly like this. Looks so
Okay.
cool.
Now let's put another kind of glitter.
Okay, can we make what we can do? We can make some awesome colors, and then we can put glitters together. We made this color. Now we can make another color, and we'll put the glitter in all of them together. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is which color you need now?
A green.
Green. Okay, this is green. How many?
2.
2. Okay. Put 2. Oh, it's starting green. Ew! This looks like some really gooey thing that we see in Hollywood movies. Ew. Have you seen Ghostbusters?
No.
I don't think so. Anyone saw Ghostbuster. Maybe they saw the new one, but old Ghostbuster has this ghost who is actually the friends of the main characters, and he looks kind of like this. So gooey, and we mix it. I think we need more color in it, right?
Yeah.
Or no, maybe because this one. Okay.
And blue and green make earth colors.
Okay. Now we are done with green color. Okay. Now,
There's only a bit left.
no, I think we can make it still 3 more color with this.
Pink.
Ew,
This
so
color is
good.
pink.
Okay, pick that color. Which one is this one? Is this orange?
No, that's yellow. I want to make purple.
Okay, let's make purple first.
I have 3, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, it's turning purple really, 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 really quickly. Oh, and this, I have some. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. While you're mixing it, I'll put on top of it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, more mixing, more mixing, more mixing, more mixing. I'll put this glitter on top. More mixing, more mixing, more mixing. Oh, your hands are getting so glittery. More mixing, more mixing. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Mix it, 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 mix it. Oh wow! Look, Mimi's hands.
I want to get it off.
Yeah, you got. That's fine. You're sparkly, glittery Mimi. I think we need more color in it.
Because dress likes glitter.
I think these small ones are not strong as these ones.
Well, the purple one is strong because we put 3.
No, that's not even strong. Look, it's not that even. But yeah, it's turning into good one.
Yeah. Okay, we're done with purple.
We're done with purple and we're gonna put it over here. I think we can make, we have enough of making 2 more slimes. Right, I'm just gonna big mustache. Yeah, big mustache.
I'm a girl.
I'm just bugging you. Okay, which color you need now?
Yellow.
Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Is this yellow?
Yeah, that's yellow.
Okay, we'll just put very, very, very less out.
No.
That's all.
Can I mix?
Wow, it turns so beautiful yellow.
Yeah, I wanted this color.
You want this color, right? So if you put less color, guys, then you can make the exact color what you decide. Otherwise, you'll just ruin it. So don't put too much color. Mix it, mix it. Mix
Yeah,
it,
I
mix it,
told
mix
you
it.
it was not orange.
Okay, we can do that again. You can mix it and I'll put the glitter. And your hand will turn all glittery. 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 Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. It looks and like some banana candy. I wanna eat it. But guys, don't eat it. I think it's almost done. You can mix it. So you can make one more color maybe.
Yeah.
So I think we have only one color left, which is light green.
No, I want to make pink.
I think we have. Oh, this is pink. Oh yeah, we didn't make pink. Why we didn't make pink? You wanna make pink?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to make pink.
Don't put too much color.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will turn. That's all.
What's it? It's turning red.
No, it will be fine. If you mix it properly, it will be fine. Are you mixing, mixing, mixing? I'll put one more.
Whoa.
It will turn. You have to mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it properly. What we can do, because we need so many different colors of slime, and we made it with this colorless slime, and we have small jars, so we can put all these slimes in those jars in the end, so that we have all colors of slime. So it's kind of turning red, right?
Yeah.
I think I can put one yellow in it, make it
No, I want to put yellow in it.
only one drop. I hope it don't make it orange. But yeah, it's kind of turning into orange, but let's see.
If you add a little
But I think it's in some parts it is pink, right?
Yeah, and it looks really beautiful.
Looks so
Orange, sunset type.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful. It's sunset color.
Yeah. I like it.
We just made new color. It's a sunset color, guys. So yeah, these are all the colors we made through this one jar of slime, colorless slime. So these are all the colors we made from
And we'll
this.
play with it.
Yes, we'll play with it. And now I'm gonna show you guys how do
No,
we.
it's getting
No, it's fine. We'll fix it. It won't get mixed that much. Okay. So yeah, put in a safe place so that it won't get mixed. These colors love each other so much that they want to be together all the time.
They were one before.
They were one before. Now it's kind of like orange. Yeah, we made orange instead of pink, but this is good too.
No, it's pink.
It's pink, orange. Okay, you guys decide. So these are all the colors we made, and now I'm gonna show you how we store them in different jars. These are the small jars that I was talking about, and now we will store them in these jars, and you can find these jars online easily. They are very cheap. Now we're gonna store them. Let's put
The red one.
slime. Yeah, the red one. Oh my god, this green one is going there. Blue is there. Okay. Yeah, good job. This is how these look like. Oh, they're looking like a jelly jar.
Bring my spoon.
Which one do you think will be more yummy? Yeah, this looks so yummy, but don't eat it. They're not eatable. They're slime. And now you guys can make this colorful slime at your home. Yeah, and play with it. And that's what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna play with this slime now. And if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and hit the notification icon and click the like button on this video. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.